Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can use WhatsApp on our laptop screen. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. For doing so, just search for web.whatsapp.com. Okay. Now open WhatsApp from your mobile and click on these three dots at the top and click on this link devices. Okay, now click on this link a device. After doing so, here you can see that my WhatsApp is opened in my laptop. Here you can see I can just chat with my friends. I can also send a voice note and also I can send emojis. And one problem with WhatsApp web is that we cannot make a video or audio call through this WhatsApp web. Otherwise, this is very fast and we can chat very fastly using this WhatsApp web. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.